Okay, we are on word problems for chapter 8, assignment. So we got page 531. Number 18. So, Jean is framing a painting that is a rectangle. What is the perimeter of the frame? So perimeter is all the sides added up. So I got 2 of these sides plus 2 of these sides. So, sorry, yeah. Now I'm making a video. So I have 5x plus 3. I'm going to add that to 5x plus 3. I'm going to add that to 2x squared minus, which is negative 3x plus 1, and another minus 3x plus 1. So now I can go ahead and combine like terms if they want me to find the perimeter. So I got 5x, 5x. That's 10x. Minus 3 is 7x. Minus 3 is 4x. Then I have 2x squared plus another x squared. Or sorry, I got a 2x squared and I forgot to put another 2x squared. So that would be 4x squared. And then I got 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6, 7, 8. So the 2x squared should have been here, so I forgot to put that as well. So there is our answer. Number 21. They give me 2, parenthesis 4w plus w squared, minus 6 equals 2w, parenthesis w minus 4 plus 10. So this would give me 8w plus 2w squared minus 6. This would give me 2w squared minus 8w plus 10. Minus 2w squared minus 2w squared. Those go away. Add 8w. Add 8w is 16w. Add 6. Add 6. So that would be 16. Divide by 16. W equals 1. Number 22. Find the area of the rectangle. So I need to find the area of the rectangle. Base times height. So I'm going to take 3x times x squared plus x minus 7. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute. That gives me 3x to the third plus 3x squared minus 21. Page 532, number 42. I have 6x squared equals 12x. I need to go ahead and solve this because I have an equal sign. I'm going to go ahead and bring my 12x over. 6x squared minus 12x equals 0. I have an x squared, which means I need to go ahead and take that out. So I can divide by 6 and take an x. So that would leave me with x minus 2 equals 0. Now I can go ahead and set both equal to 0. 6x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. Divide by 6, x could be 0, add 2, x could be 2. Page 533, number 54. X squared plus 11x plus 10 equals 0. This is a trinomial. I can't take anything out, so a times c is 10, middle term 11. That would be 10 and 1. Break this down, 10x plus 1x, bring down the plus 10, bring down the x squared. I'm going to go ahead and group this. This would be x. I'm left with x plus 10. I can't take anything out, but I can always take a 1 out. That's x plus 10 equals 0. These match, so I have x plus 10, and then I have x plus 1 equals 0. To finish the problem, I need to set each part equal to 0. So x would be negative 10, x would be negative 1. Number 59. 2a squared plus 13a minus 24. I cannot take anything out. Trinomial, so I can do a t-chart. 2 times negative 24 is negative 48. Middle term, 13. I could do 6 and 8, but 6 and 8 will not give me 13. I can do, let's see, 48 divided by 3 gives me 16 and 3. So I can go ahead and put the 3 as my minus, my negative. So now I found it. I'm going to go ahead and split this up. So 2a squared plus 16a minus 3a minus 24. I can take a 2 and an a out. That leaves me with a plus 8. Bring down my minus sign. I can divide by 3. So that would be a. Negative 24 divided by negative 3 is positive 8. Those match. A plus 8. And then I have 2a minus 3. Number 63. 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. This is a trinomial. I can't take anything out. So I'm going to go ahead and use my t-chart. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. Middle term, negative 7. 6 and 5 does not work. 10 and 3 would work. Negative 10 has to be negative to make that a negative 7. I can break this up. Negative 10x, positive 3x, minus 5, 6x squared equals 0. Go ahead and divide by 2 and bring out an x. That's 3x minus 5. I can't take anything out, so I can take a 1 out. That's 3x minus 5 equals 0. These match. So I got 3x minus 5, and I got 2x plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and set this equal to 0 and this equal to 0 to solve. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So 3x equals 5, so x would be 5/3. Subtract 1, so I got 2x equals negative 1, divide by 2. X could be negative 1 over 2. Page 534, number 65. I have y squared minus 81. It's not a trinomial. I can't take anything out, so it might be a difference of squares. Y squared, 9 squared, so it works. Y plus 9, y minus 9. Number 74. I got x squared plus 12x plus 36. Here we go. Trinomial, I can't take anything out. I got to use a t-chart. 1 times 36 is 36, added 12. 6 and 6 will work. Break this down. X squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 36. Now I can go ahead and group. I can take out an x, which would be x plus 6. I can take out a 6, which would be x plus 6. So I have x plus 6 times x plus 6. Since I have 2 of them, I would say x plus 6 squared. And I'm done.